Hi guys, in this video you are going to see how to record or how to give the voiceovers for the video clips in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. I'm also going to share some of the settings that you need to take care so that you don't encounter any issues. First, what you have to do is go to Edit, then Preferences, then choose Audio Hardware. This window will be opened. From here, you can choose input devices. If you connected any external microphone or anything, you can see the list here, guys. If in case you don't know which is what, simply click on settings. A new window will be opened like this. From here, you can select the external microphone that you connected. Remaining all settings, keep it as it is. Then one more thing you need to do is hover the mouse to the side of the microphone, right click and choose voice over recording settings. This window will be opened. Here you can give the audio a name. I'm giving it as testing. Next, click on the source. From here, choose the input device. If you connected the external microphone, it will show here. Let's say I'm selecting internal aux. Right after selecting that, the input also change it to that. Next is this option, countdown sound cues. It will make a sound before recording the audio. Below that, you can adjust the pre-roll and post-roll. I'm giving it as 5 seconds, post-roll as 5 seconds. Then click on close. Now, to record the audio, simply click on this microphone. A countdown will be shown like this. After that, you can start recording the audio. As you can see here, it is showing recording as well. And if you go to the audio track mixer, you can see the tracks as well. Since I selected this track, the audio will be saved in this track. If you want to stop the track, simply press here. As you can see, the audio track is created. Now you can edit the audio track what you are doing for the rest. So by this way, you can give the proper voiceovers for your videos. And not only that, even if any errors are there in your clip, you can give the short voiceovers to correct that. So now you have cleared your doubt and you learned that how to give the voiceover or record the external audio in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and also share this video to your fellow people and subscribe, then click the bell icon to the side of it to get notified whenever I post a new video on this channel.